Let's make this healthy pineapple chicken. You'll need half of onion, 4 tomatoes, 2 potatoes, some fresh pineapple, and 1 chicken breast. Start by chopping your veggies. I'm using 2 medium potatoes that I previously peeled. Cut them into 1-inch cubes. Next, the tomatoes. No need to be precise here. Give them a rough chop as they will break down as they cook. Next, chop the onion onto thick slices. Cut the pineapple into similar sized chunks about 1 inch. You can also use canned pineapple, but it will be sweeter. And finally, cube your chicken breast into 1-inch pieces too. Try to keep them uniform so they cook evenly. For the seasoning, we need 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of thyme, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add a pinch more to taste. Sprinkle the herbs and spices over everything and give it a good mix to coat all the ingredients. Now cook it over medium heat in one pan. You don't need to add any oil to this. Cover and let it simmer gently for around 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know it's ready when the tomatoes break down and everything is beautifully glazed. I serve it with basmati rice and just look at that. It's sweet, tangy, and perfect for those days when you want to make a quick and healthy dinner. If you like this recipe, try it and let me know what you think.